Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make beaver tails. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water, and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. These simple items are the foundation for delicious beaver tails. We'll also discuss some popular topping ideas to make them extra special. Now let's make the dough. First, activate your yeast in warm water with a pinch of sugar. Let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, remaining sugar, and salt. Pour in the yeast mixture and oil, then knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Cover it and let it rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Once your dough has risen beautifully, gently punch it down and divide it into 8 equal portions. Take each portion and stretch it into a flat, oval shape, roughly 8 inches long. Next, heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place 1 or 2 beaver tails into the hot oil and fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are perfectly golden brown. After frying, immediately transfer your beaver tails to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While they are still warm, brush each one generously with melted butter. This helps the toppings adhere and adds a wonderful richness. Now, the fun part. Sprinkle them with classic cinnamon sugar or get creative with chocolate hazelnut spread, fruit, or even maple syrup. Serve them warm and enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.